Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to check the status of a Git files, how to add files in the Git repository, how to commit the Git changes. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. First of all, we will check how to check the status of the file. Very easy. Go to the command line, add Git status. It will show you how many files are untracked. Okay. Next, how to add files to the Git repository. See, we have that files which is not pushed. This is red, right? So in that case, we have to add all these files. First command, git add with particular file name like this. Git add like this, copy and paste like this. Git add like this. Again, you will check that file one dot is not showing git status, only show new file, that is file 1 is already added, but these two files are not adding. So you want to add all these files, just you need to add git add, just put lookout, it will add all files. And if you go and check git status, and all files are changes to be committed. Now we have to commit the changes, means what we have done with these files, you need to add the changes. So how to commit the changes, you need to just add git commit minus n. What we have done with the files, changing, creating new files, creating test files to push in repository, some meaningful data you can add. So all these files are committed. Okay, so this is ready, and all the files are created to push in the directory, right? So in the next video we are trying to how to push all that code in the GitHub repository, right? And we will see which files are committed and which kind of code we have added. So all these are in the next phase of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.